come on a plate that is left in a bedroom. Much worse. Much worse. I can still remember my parents encouraged me not to have my bedroom look like the bus station at Clifton's cafeteria. I remember it like it was yesterday. I don't care. Doesn't bother me. You want to take them out, you can. I don't really care. All right, I'll try to pick some up. So what was I don't know, 11 or 12 or something like that. And there was the usual potpourri of cutlery and plates and God knows what else on my floor. And I come in and I trip over a mason jar. But it wasn't just a regular mason jar. It was a mason jar that had been the home of my now dead fish, Fishy. I know, that's why my stripper name is so terrible. It didn't hurt at first. I'm down, I look, and there's half of my big toe just like dangling and bleeding, and I'm screaming. And my sisters come running in, and they're like, oh my God, throw me in the brown Capri, drive me over to Kaiser emergency room. And they're being real sweet and staying with me and very concerned, very attentive. Like, I guess too much for the Kaiser nurses because and we're trying to throw my sister out because she got mad at one of the nurses because the nurse kept saying, women are just used to a life of pain. You just gotta get used to pain when you're a woman. And my sister was like, that's a messed up thing to say to a little girl. And so all I had left was her Gucci wallet to hold as a security blanket as they stitched up the part of my dangling toe, which the damage is still visible. Look, you see that? It's still pretty distinct there.